I didn't finish my course.
What undergraduate?
But I course in COC. Cagayan de Oro College. Sir Rolando Coliba is our president in the college and my education.
Education, major in
Filipino.
So dapat mag-Filipino ka.
Di ba yung
Liceo siya. What is your course?
My Liceo is tourism.
So what is tourism anyway?
Sir Rolando Coliba is my So you're educator.
Now.
I like to speak. Talk in English.
We are friends.
What is your course? What is your course in college?
Hello Black daw.
Did you finish your degree or what? Elementary, high school. Go. Yes. Rolando Coriba is the president of UCC.
No! Time of...
Kapusar mo, bis?
Sa iyo, Denny, sa time ninyo na si Sir Coriba.
Siya ang president.
Okay, nasaktan pa ni mo. Sa imong
Go, Bating. Atilay, Bating.
Ate Sisi yun, graduate.
Go.
Si Ma'am Karen sa inyo.
You're Ate Sisi graduate? What course did you pursue?
I'm financial management.
Hala.
I like your teeth, the way you talk. As in veneer.
Veneer siya.
The way you talk.
Sa mani? Tulala.
Sino mo nila?
I can be.
Go! Actually, ako yung isa sa lahat ng mga when my father left work in Camigan, all he wanted was a better life for our family. But it's hard. Enrolling in Cagayan de Oro College, I could have a degree. I could be proud of. Because my dream is to have a successful career and bring my family together.
In what?
Enrolling in Cagayan de Oro College, I could be proud of.
I drink wine.
I drink with the pleasure. Tequila Boogie Blues. Last night, I asked my mother how to behave. Appreciate the values of my life.
Nice kaya.
What you care? What you told me, Delia? Stop bothering me.
Mamuriyan ko,
Ano yung panglaban? Sapa.
Go home! Plan, kamote.
Juvenile delinquent.
Juvenile delinquent. By Gabriel Ocara na. Once upon a time, child, we used to laugh with our hearts and laugh with our eyes.
What is psychology?
Study of human behavior, which means soul and mind, psychologus. Logos, L as in lover, O as in obstacle, G as in governor, O as in ostrich, S as in substance.
Ay sa, Bobby B. Bobo.
Baby Bobo. Bakla man kami sa inyong paningin. Kami ay may puso rin. B. Biktima man kami sa iyong kahasan at diskriminasyon. B. Binggitan ng hulo. Katulad namin kayo. Bubu ang masasabing kami mga bakla. Hindi kailangan tumapak sa pintuan ng langit.
Biyo. Wait lang.
Ay, magsumangil nga anak.
Ano man?
Go, Bu. Bukas, ngayon, at mabakailanman, kaming mga bakla ay walang kamatayan.
Immortal.
Nice kayo. Nice to game mo.
Sa mga memory.
Mga memory
Bidol man ko sa among Pilipino.
What's Bidol?
Ako ang saligando.
Without specific
Hala.
trabaho ang Bidol. What's
Hala.
specific trabaho of Bidol?
Assign na ako sila nga, nag-open ba ano ba sila sa koan? Assignment.
Okay. And also the attendance.
Attendance, my God.
Sa volleyball, unsa sad ka?
At the same time, volleyball is
Spiker?
spiker. Hindi I'm a spiker of the namin. Alam mo kaya?
Ano ito ba? Mahal.
Haka sis.
Naka sila sa glitz. Nagbalhin.
Sis! Oh, God!
Ato na.
Sis!
Yan ba na? Dito sa guys niya.
Unsa pa? Unsa pa ba?
Nalipay si Dani sa ako akin Iya ko nung kung happy feel.
Wait, pamilya sa, that is also, the beholder.
So you're an educator. So, from DCC graduate. Major in?
You're both alumnus.
English. Speak English is the language to be used.
Mahirap.
Talaga na? Yung mga...
Sa to?
Speak English. Nobody's perfect.
Sada.
Right now.
Pero, how many courses did you take?
Labalaban.
How many?
Courses did you take?
Since you were trying
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
How many places what I think?
Yeah.
I think I'm in first year. So my family decided to pursue my degree in college. Wasa kung kuan. Sa Canton. My family decided to pursue my college in Cagayan de Oro College. It's a FENMA Education Network.
Ano nga course mo?
Isa pa rin kayo.
Education.
Education. Ba't
Isa
napunta
sa Comar. Ako na lang.
Ba't napunta ka sa tourism? From eduk to tourism?
Because my auntie is Napit ang cashier.
So when was that? Second semester?
Hala.
A registrar. Sa registrar.
No, second year lang ako doon. Pero first year is
What is your first course?
education.
Eduk,
then
tourism.
I am a vice president.
In what?
Education.
In what terms?
No, what kind? In my department.
Okay.
So after you pursue your second year here, anong trabaho mo sa Manila? Anong trabaho mo sa
Iba
Manila?
mong bet ngayon.
So anong trabaho mo sa Manila?
Alam mo, sinalikod ako sa pamilya. Trabaho ako sa tita ko, nangangatalsa ako ng bigas.
Kabot sa bugas.
Kulit yan, nag-arsar ko ng bigas. Oo, yan, alam nila yan. Pandemic. So I love
Mandalaw yung kayo.
I love my BFF.
Anto nakabot kayo doon ba?
I love my BFF. So he decide me. I don't know. She decide or he. He decide right now. I will pay all the taxi. About 700 or 800. She paid the taxes. Taxi. Dahil punta ka dito is
Taxi din.
I am so thankful for
Dapat.
Kapakot
Diba
naman.
the taxis is all
Para makapunta ka kina Brenda.
Punta ko kay Brenda. So, ganun.
Tapos may...
And the rest is history.
I'm not a vlogger.
Yan, nahiya ka pa kayo.
That time.
Oo.
Hindi naman ako gano'n kay Brenda kasi kailangan ko na dito sa pero
Uy, pangaon mo ba?
kasi nag-inuman na kami, di ba, dahil before that, nag-inuman na tayo dito sa probinsya.
Oo. Friend na kami.
Friend na kami, nag-inuman lang kami sa probinsya, pero, siyempre, nahiya din ako, kasi it's a birthday. So, hindi ako pinauwi.
Di na siya pinauwi ni
Kasi kaya
Brenda.
potential.
So, thank you to. No.
Hindi ba? And Brenda.
Di ba man una dyan? Di ba brought Lyra to Diva?
Diva. And of course, Brenda and Scarlett. Kasi sila ang nabibigay sa akin ng pangalan na Indian Kato.
Ulam naman tinidor.
Without them,
Sharing na lang is loving.
imong gusto ko itong maninahilo. Oh,
Yeah.
magkaon mo. Sir, sorry sir ha. Sir,
Midnight snack
wala ako may alagad ni mo.
Follower yun niyo.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Follower yun sa iyo.
Birthday celebration as always. It's a Thanksgiving celebration. Blessings, good health, and good harvest to our palay.
10 minutes na.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Ana. Thank you so much for choosing N1.
Hala.
I'm not choosing anyone.
Hala. Kay.
I'm not, 1 month ako doon nga hindi ako nakapunta. Bakit? Because the people there is
Very.
stay pa yung ugali.
Yeah.
Oh, alam nila yan?
Oo.
Si Juan Mat kinabi sa last week.
Hindi, nagwanan di ba ay? Gusto nila mag-inom, di ba ay?